Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks. I'm Conrad, and today I have a very special guest with me, Dr. David Little. Dr. Little is visiting the lab, and not just visiting the lab, but he's also playing in the Old Chatham Member Guest Tournament with me this weekend. I hope you brought your A game.
I'll bring my A game to play with you, that's for sure. To get a chance to do that, I'm very excited about that.
I know you're very involved with Zest and also with BioHorizons, and Zest got the upcoming Master Educators classes and these things. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Absolutely. And so, Zest has the mastership program, and they have a really beautiful training center in Las Vegas. It's a great place to go. It's very intensive. We have Dr. Joe Masad, Dr. Michael Scherer, obviously the clinical director, and a lot of other of us that are involved with that too. And now we've extended out to the East Coast. And so we're doing it in the Washington area and Florida to kind of make it easier for people to get to.
Awesome.
And so it's a great hands-on experience.
And I know the mastership course, right, is a very comprehensive 2-day course, 33 hours of CE credits. But a lot of clinicians would like to just do a quicker course, a smaller course, something on locators or locator fixed or something like that. Can you give them some advice on where they can find out more about this?
Yeah, so if you go to the Zest Dental website and go to education, and you'll see that there's a lot of either evening courses, half-day courses. I do a lot of full-day courses where we take from removable to fixed and all the way through and do some hands-on. So it's kind of more focused to just that need.
And I know you were involved with BioHorizons as well lately. What's your involvement with them?
So I do a lot of training with BioHorizons. Two things. One on single teeth and, beginners and people that want to learn more about it. And we do live surgeries and we do hands-on. And then we also have an edentulous course where we show all the magical things that Absolute does. And from planning, the guides, the PMMAs, and then the beautiful final restorations. And so we walk through that workflow.
Awesome.
And how that's done.
And Dr. Little is presented for our Absolute customers multiple times. Matter of fact, you were the first presenter in our DDS training facility. And the feedback, I have to give you a compliment, has always been overwhelmingly positive. Hopefully you'll agree to come back in the future and teach some more of our clinicians how to do these things. One last thought. By the time this airs, I hope there's a picture of us holding the championship cup of this member guest tournament. If that picture is not on the screen right now, then we did not win the championship cup. So we're very excited to have you. I'm very excited to have you as my guest this weekend. And thanks a million for joining us.
I'm glad to be here, and I do hope we're holding the trophy up.
Amen.